Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya and this channel name is Fashaya. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking onto this video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of this channel. And if you are not new, thank you for coming back. So just to start. So I have my hair here. And this will be my very first frontal that I'm going to start bleaching. So I have my bowl, the little brush that comes in the bowl, and everything that I have that I use in this video is from Sally's. So wherever your Sally's is, that's where the products will be. But yeah, I'm just getting the stuff, getting ready to prepare my hands and to put these gloves on because we are dealing with chemicals here. So now that I have my gloves on, I'm going to start pouring this BW2 into my bowl here, and it's like a powder like consistence, so you'll just see me pour it in there. And just a disclaimer, this is my first time, so this video is really going to be about what not to do because y'all finna see. So I got the 30 volume here, and I'm just gonna pour some in there. It really is, though, one thing I did learn is that it's kind of like there's not really an exact way to do it. It's kind of like what's good for whatever you poured into the bowl. So you'll just see me start to mix it and everything like that. So now I'm going to add some more because it's kind of chalky and you need it to be thick. What I've heard, it needs to be like frosting, but I did not do that. So you will see what it looks like in a little bit. So as you can see, I'm about to bring it closer. It is not thick like frosting. It may look like it is, but it's moving too much for it to be considered thick. So yeah, I'm just continuing to mix and mix and mix and mix, and now I'm about to bring in the frontal. And this is the next what not to do. So now I've got my little concoction here, and I'm putting it on the frontal here. Now, as you can see, I am not applying this correctly. I am pressing it into I'm pressing it into the knots. And you should not do that. You should not press it in, because when you press it in like that, that's when it bleeds through into the roots. So yeah, but here I am applying it in with the brush. and that's definitely what you should not do, especially with the how much pressure I'm putting, how much pressure's in my hand. Like, it should be at least a light, delicate kind of stroke, but it's definitely not from the looks of this. So this is definitely a beginner's video of what not to do, and yeah. So now that I'm about done, just spreading everything incorrectly, I'm going to set a timer. I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes, and I don't know why 40 some seconds. It's really just 15 minutes. So yeah, and then you just let it sit on there. Another thing that I picked up on that I did wrong was I didn't use any foil. I just let it sit like that. So as after this video, I actually learned some different stuff. So that's why I'm kind of explaining everything the way I am. So now my 15 minutes are up, and I'm going to start I'm going to start washing this stuff off. And this is this is where I start to see where I've actually like messed up as I start washing out. So I got my water on, and I just go in and wash it off like you wash your own hair. But at first you gotta make sure that you get all the bleach off, because you don't want any bleach left on your hair when you go to install it, because that could burn you or anything could happen. So just make sure that you just wash all that stuff off when you get to that point. So after washing out all that bleach, I think I pretty much got it. Still rinsing and everything like that. I'm gonna go in with some whole blends, and I know if people, but people are watching, like, I know that's not the right stuff to go in with. I know I should have gone in with some, what's the purple shampoo? It's like Shimmer Light or something like that. I should have gone in with that, because when you use that shampoo, it stops the process of the bleach. It's like the bleach will stop bleaching pretty much, and I didn't have any of that, so I just used what I had. But you definitely don't need to use whole blends. So yeah, so I'm just shampooing that, and yeah, and then in a little bit I'm about to come talk to y'all. So yeah. Okay, so I know, excuse me, I know I probably look a mess, but that's okay, because I just wanted to come on camera and tell you a little bit about this experience. First things first, I did not know that, I mean, of course I knew it was a chemical, but I did not know that the bleach smelled so bad. I didn't know that. Once again, this is my first time doing something like this. So yeah, that's the first thing. Second thing is that the best way to clean, like just a couple minutes ago, best way to clean your bowl is Dawn soap. It's because the stuff is so thick, so use the little brush, the little bowl and the brush and the Dawn scrub, give it some water and get all that stuff out of there. And I washed it outside. I just wasn't, because there was a lot of extra stuff that was in there, so I was like, I'll just do this outside. And then the third thing is the bleach process. I think I probably put too much on it, and so if you can see, like, the roots, it seep through, so they're pretty much orangey reddish. I'm still gonna wear this hair. I'm just afraid like how it's actually gonna come out and how it's gonna look. I still have to pluck and everything like that. Honestly, it doesn't look terrible, but since I am a beginner, I know to not thicken it up as much, because the thicker it is, it's just gonna seep through the lace and it's gonna seep through the hair. And all I wanted was the knots, but I got a little bit more than the knots. But I think it's gonna be fine, honestly. Yeah. So, yeah. But I can say that it did work. I am happy about that. But yeah, I just wanted to come on camera and just tell you what I experienced through this whole process and while doing it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like more beginner videos like about hair and stuff, because I'm still learning, and so I would like to, you know, just educate people as I go along with these videos. So yeah, if you like this video, yeah, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.